Automatic back sealing form fill seal machine for powder packaging. This is the automatic back sealing vertical form fill seal machine from CX Packing Machine, designed for efficient and accurate powder packaging. The machine uses roll film to automatically form bags, with a back sealing structure that is stable, reliable, and widely used in the packaging industry. A servo-driven auger filling system is applied for precise powder dosing, ensuring consistent filling accuracy for different powder products. Once the film is formed into bags, powder is filled automatically, followed by vertical and horizontal sealing to create clean, well-sealed finished bags. After sealing, each completed bag is discharged through a finished product lifting conveyor, making collection or connection to downstream equipment easy and efficient. This machine is ideal for packaging food powders, chemical powders, and daily use powder products, offering stable performance, high efficiency, and reliable sealing quality. CX Packing Machine, your professional partner for automatic powder packaging solutions.